We hear a lot about energy and manifestation. I'm never going to cover this in 2 minutes. Can you explain how someone's energy acts like a magnet and how they can actually tune it to attract what they want? In 2 minutes. Oh, okay. Can you explain how someone's energy acts like a magnet? No. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. It's more something that you just notice. You'll notice it in others, but you'll notice it in yourself as well. Try and think back to a time when you felt like everything was kind of flowing in the right way. Like you felt like there was forward momentum. Maybe there was excitement or, whatever. I mean, for me, it's always joy and excitement. Those are the key emotions. And I know this. And so it would be very easy for me, and I have done this as well, to go, well, then I need to prioritize being joyful and happy all the time, because when I'm joyful and excited, my energy just goes and it flows and it switches on. But of course, life is gonna life, and there are times I don't feel that. I feel like the more you're trying to reverse engineer it, the more you're trying to understand, what do I need to do? Who do I need to be? The further away from that magnetism you're going to get. It really boils down, and I know this is such an annoying answer, but it really boils down to finding deep acceptance with wherever you're at now. And I know how shit that is. And I feel like that's a really crap answer, because if where you're at right now feels crap, then you're going to be like, how can I be okay with this? But that's where the magic is. I remember writing in my journal once, if this was all there was ever going to be, if today was the day that you knew, you were going to finish your contract here on earth, however you want to put it, could you be okay with all that you have, knowing that it was never going to be any more? And at first it was like, no, I didn't get my mansion yet. I didn't meet Jason Momoa yet. Like, I had a whole list of things that I hadn't done yet. And it felt like a to-do list. And it was like, no, I'm not done. I'm not done. And we hear this all the time. People saying, I've got all this stuff to do. And we just add to the list, add to the list. The real peace comes from acknowledging that you might have, unrealized dreams or things you haven't achieved yet. But can you find some sense of peace with where you're at now, if you had to? And I would start there. Does that answer the question?